Hello everybody, this is Mike here from Food Travelers, and in this mini we're sharing our experience staying at the Home2Suites by Hilton in the Page Lake Powell area of Arizona. This location is really close by Utah, and it's kind of right on the border. With this hotel, if you know about the Antelope Canyon or the Horseshoe Bend area, this is definitely a great hotel to stay at. It's also very close by the golf course as well, and it's a really short walk to or drive to the Glen Canyon Dam overlook as well. So this room that I got is called the 1 queen bed 1 bedroom suite non-smoking. There's a separate living area, a in-suite kitchen, refrigerator, a sofa bed, 2 TVs, and as you see in the video, the kitchen area is fully stocked. You have all your cups, your plates, all the utensils that you need, pretty much everything you need, including the toaster. And there's also things to use for washing all the dishes as well, the dish detergent, the sponge, there's the coffee maker, pretty much everything you need except for a fully stocked towel. Unfortunately, I don't know why they didn't fully stock that when they cleaned the room. The ergonomic chair is extremely comfortable. It's probably the most comfortable ergonomic chair I've ever sat on in a hotel. Surprisingly, that was extremely comfortable. They have this swivel, I guess like pull-out oval table. I'm not sure what it was used for, but it was nice that you can use for your stay here. I found it pretty strange how they have the bedding for the sofa bed in two parts of the room. They had one, as you saw in the video, they had one of the sheets in one of the room. Then they have the pillow and other bedding parts in the main sleeping area of the room as well. One thing I really liked with this hotel is the separation or I guess the dual entrance of the bathroom. So you have an entrance from the living area, and you also have the entrance to the bathroom from the main bedroom area as well. The bathroom is extremely bright, as you see in the video. That's something different from many hotel rooms that I've been to, and there's 3 different hooks for your towels and everything that you need. It's always nice to have these blackout curtains in the bedroom. Some of the other amenities I did want to mention is this hotel has the ironing board and then the ironer, and there's the radio alarm clock. Other things I also want to mention is the air conditioning system. I feel like that was kind of neat and different from other hotels. You have a dual control system where you can kind of control and set the room temperature for the main living area, kind of different and separate from the main bedroom itself. One thing that did not work in this hotel room was the light stand next to the in the bedroom by the bed. I turned it on, but unfortunately the light did not turn on. I checked the plugs, and I guess it was just a faulty light bulb. The internet is free. They do say that there's free Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, the internet is pretty slow, and if you have T-Mobile in this hotel room, it would say 5G, but it feels like there's no signal, or it's really weak signal. It didn't really work for me. And this room was at the corner of the hotel, and was being in this location of the area is right along the Route 89, which I thought it would be really noisy at night, but it was actually pretty quiet. And as you see at nighttime in the video, there's not much to see. You can see the cars driving by, and it's mainly just a parking lot. But in the daytime, the view is very, very pretty. You have all the mountains in the far distance, you have the dam to look at, and if you're a golfer or if you're here to visit the Antelope Canyons and the Horseshoe Bend, definitely check this one out. It's very spacious.
If If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.